Prati means towards. Like I'm going towards school. Aham Vidyalayam prati gacchami. Vidyalayam prati gacchami. Towards. Vidyalayam prati gacchami. Prati means or. Like charo or like that. Or. Or. Vidyalayam prati gacchami. This prati is used with the second case only. Prati gacchati. Okay. Anu. Anu means piche. Anu means after also and towards also. But mostly it is used in after. After. Towards. Like बालकः गच्छति माता अनुगच्छति. माता goes after balak. Mata anugacchati. Mata balakam anugacchati. So how they have used here anugacchati? Ha. Ramam anugacchati. Like राम के पीछे जाता है. रामम अनुगच्छति. Okay.
So should we say then Sita Ramam Anugachati? No.
Yes. Why not? Instead of gacchati, you are giving subject. Sita Ramam anugacchati. Bhaktaha Ishwaram anugachanti. Anything. With gacchati dhatu, it is mostly used. Prati and this anu, they are used mostly with gacchati. So avitah, paritah, samaya, nikasha, ha, prati, anu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And rule is what? With this, dvitiya vibhakti will happen. Okay. With all these indeclinables, second case will happen. This is the rule. That is why I have written here. Avyayaha, all dvitiya vibhakti. And here we end the 5th chapter. Very fastly we are moving. Now in next chapter, all adnyartha. Adnyartha vakyas are coming. Like you go, you come, you eat. You all go. You all protect me. How will you say? So all this coming. That will start on Wednesday. Now the very important part. Rama Shabda, all 7 vibhaktis will see. And all 7 means Ekvachan, 2 already we have seen. Sambodhan also we have seen. So only now 6 we have to see. Okay. So you can write that on separate chapter. Because 20 sentences you will write. If you want, you can leave pages and then you write vibhaktis. So Rama Shabda, other vibhaktis and how to make sentences. Because already we saw the meaning of all vibhaktis. Prathama, the agent or karta. Second, object. Third, karan. Karan means with. Then fourth means for. Fifth means from. Sixth means of. Seventh means in and on. I repeat, karta, subject, object. Tritiya vibhakti, which preposition? With. Then Chaturthi vibhakti, for or for the sake of. Panchami vibhakti, from. Each sentence we'll see. And 6th vibhakti, sambandha, like of. And 7th, in and on. So that we'll draw. One table we have to draw. Small table. So it is Rama and all 7 vibhaktis. All 7, but only in Ekvachan. Dvivachan, Bahuvachan, if I tell you, confusion. Big confusion will be there. Okay. Chalo. Easy. So here, small table. Ekvachan. So vibhaktis I am not writing like Prathama, Dvitiya. Directly I am writing. So Ramaha, this we already know. Ramam, This also we know. Adishila is the very nice font. You can take it from Google. Adishila. It is most Gita Press, all the standard publication, they use this. Adishila. Okay. Ramah, we all know Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya, Ramam. So I will write down like this. Ramam. Dvitiya Vibhakti means karma. This and last we have seen. Hey Ram. This we have seen. Hey Ram. Hey Ram. Okay, now 4, 5 we have to see. Third is Ra Me Ram. Actually it is Rame Na, but this Na becomes the Ana. How it becomes? Next chapter rule is coming. So it is good introduction here only. Ramena. Like that, Krishnena, Arjunena, any Pullinga name, Ishwarena, Janakena, Putrena, Chandrena, Sajjanena, Durjanena, Upadhyayena, like that. Shishyena, Prashnena, if you know Bhagavad Gita a little bit, then it comes Pariprashnena Sevaya, Prashnena. If you want knowledge, what should you do? Bhagavan says, Tadvidhi, I am telling you the process. Pranipatena, Pranipatena, third vibhakti. Tadvidhi Pranipatena, Pariprashnena, Prashnena, Sevaya, all third case. Any doubt? Okay, no. So Ramena, if you know this, any akaranta pullinga shabda, we should be able to decline. Okay. Next is Ramaya. Ganeshaya Namaha. Ganeshaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Ramaya. Like that. Ya Shankaraya Namaha. Like that. Ramaya. So Ramena Tritiya, Ramaya Chaturthi. Next, Ramat. Oh, Ramat. 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 From Rama. In that crash course, which is there on YouTube, there we saw each vibhakti. Each vibhakti, one subhashita. Nice subhashita. Like if you want Sukham, what should you do? Remember? Vishakha. Big sutra was there. One is related to other. Ramat. Next. Ramasya. Ramasya. Of Rama. Sita Ramasya Patnihi. Ramasya. Bharatah Ramasya Bhrata. Ramasya. Krishnah Arjunasya Sakha. Arjunah Krishnasya Sakha. Of. Each vibhakti, one sentence we will make, and you will also make today only all sentences. And next is Rame. In Rama Raksha Stotram, we have one shloka. In that, all 7 vibhakti they are put. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Like that. Very nice. Ramo. Full shloka. Ramat Parataram Nasti. Beautiful. I don't remember full. Rame Chittalaya Sada Stume. Bhorama Mama Uttara. Bhorama is Sambodhan. Bhorama माम उद्धर रामात्मा अस्ति परा
रामे राजमणि सदा विजयते
रामो रामो राजमणि रामो राजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेण अभिहिता निशाचरचमं रामाय तस्मै नमः रामान्नास्ति परा
परतरं
हाँ
रामस्य
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम् रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर ब्यूटीफुल श्लोका Buddha Kaushik Rishi designed all 7 vibhakti in one shloka. Beautiful meaning. Okay, so Ramah, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya,
Send us
all
that
came.
close.
Huh?
Send us that sloka.
Yes, I have that shloka written somewhere else. Definitely after class only I will say. Okay, so now make one sentence. So we know this is subject, karta. So we will use as it is, but here with tritiya vibhakti, English I am writing here with. Okay, font I will make it bigger. With, okay. And this with in Sanskrit we have shabda saha. Saha. With saha. Okay, preposition we have for in fourth case, like के लिए, के लिए, साठी करिता in Marathi, रामासाठी पाणी आणलं, किंवा सीता राम के लिए पानी लाती है, सीता रामाय जलम आनयत. सीता प्रथमा, who brings? Sita prathama. For whom? Rama, to Rama. So Ramaya. Here for, to, both are there. So we don't use anything. For, just if you use Ramaya, means for is included in that. And here from, Ramasya, of Rama. Of Rama. And this is in and on. In and on. This is to call vocative case. Like address. If you want to address somebody. Vocative or address. Once again we wrote this. It is worth only because we don't remember this. Subject, object. So one Rama Shabda. Now we will decline one sentence. Same way you have to make sentences. Here only. And you can practice. So all 7 vibhaktis you will be familiar. And remember, one Rama Shabda, if you know, Arjuna, Yudhishthira, any name in this world, you can decline. Vasantasya, Vasantat, any name. So here Pratik is not there today. Pratikasya, Pratikam, Pratikena. But it needs practice. Like Arjunena. These words are not, you are not used to it. Okay, chalo. Now one sentence. Okay, Ramah, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Ramat, Ramasya, Rame. Okay. So in that Ram Raksha Stotram, where is Ramah? The first word is that only, but Sandhi has happened. We'll see that also. Ramo, that Visarga becomes U and U plus A becomes O. So Ramo. Now you will understand all shlokas. Otherwise you will say, where is Prathama Vibhakti in that Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayati? So that Visarga becomes U. It becomes O, Ramo. So there itself is Prathama Vibhakti. Chalo, now I will make one sentence. This is one format. In this way you can make sentences of any Vibhakti. Chalo. So first sentence and one word we are using. Not that any word you can use. One word only we are using. Like Ramah
That's it.
vanam vicharati. He roams, he enjoys, he sports. Not that he suffers. Now I want to use Ramam Shabd. So I can use Sita Ramam Samaya Sidati. All words are clear, huh? Sidati.
Sir,
Sita.
why you don't put the dot? You can put, okay, yeah, I understand. No, I know. I know, sir.
Okay. Because the consonant is falling. Okay, now I want to use Ramena. See a sentence. Lakshmana. Now you should say only ha. Yes, we know what you are writing. If you don't know, you can ask Lakshmana. Lakshmana Ramena Saha. Always Saha will come. If Ramena is coming in this case, so Saha means together with. Lakshmana Ramena Saha Vanam Vicharati or Gacchati Vicharati. Okay, Gacchati. Okay, same. We see Ramam is coming. Then Ramaya means for Rama. So what we can say, who brings something? Nishadarajaha. If you read Ramayana, Nishadarajaha, the first tribal person, Nishadarajaha. Ramayana is very sweet, huh? It's a nectar. Nishadarajaha Ramaya Patram. See, any big sentence you can make. Pushpam Phalam. Cha is at the end. Phalam. See now, fourth case has some dhatus. Like Anayati is also okay, but I will use Dadati. You also use that. Dadati means to give. Or another simple one is, if Dadati is complicated, Yachati. Because Dadati don't decline like Dadati, Dadataha. Declines differently. So Yachati means to give. Okay. Anayati is also okay, but whenever giving is there, see now only I am just sowing seeds. Whenever giving is there, you use fourth case. This is the thing. Okay.
Palam cha will come in.
Cha. Okay. Dadati, Achati, Eni. This is third Gana Dhatu. This is first normal. Okay. Sita. To begin with, you use these dhatu only, Yachati, Dadati, whatever I give. And then later, when we come to each chapter, there is each chapter, like third Vibhakti, this chapter. Fourth Vibhakti, this chapter, like second Vibhakti we had. Sita, Ramat. Ramat means from Rama. Sita, Ramat. What he takes? Sita Ramat Vastram. Vastram, this tra is in different font. Okay. Vastram Swikaroti. So to take, we use from. So I take something from somebody. So there from comes. So Swikaroti you use to begin with. When Panchami Vibhakti we use, when it comes, I will tell you. When there is separation from one thing to other, like leaf, fruit is falling from tree. So Vrukshat phalam patati, vrukshat, from tree a fruit falls. But here different way we have taken, because easy and this swikaroti, yachati, these are what? The vyavaharik sentences you can use in your transaction. So it is good to start. Okay.
Swikaroti means took. She took it that way.
She takes, not took. Okay, she takes, because it is present tense. Swikaroti. It is karoti dhatu only, but different things like prefixes are there that have come. So whenever you want to use tritiya vibhakti, you use saha. Whenever you want fourth vibhakti to begin with, you can use dadati yachati. Okay. Panchami. Shashti. Bharatah Ramasya Bhrata Asti. Is understood. Bhrata Asti. Ramasya. See, Ramah, Ramam. We are following only one word. Ramena. Then Saha came. Ramaya, for. Ramat, from Rama. If I want to say from Krishna, Krishnat. Arjunah, Krishnat, Jnanam svikaroti. See, big sentence. Arjunah, Krishnat, Jnanam svikaroti. Any sentence. Arjunah, Krishna said. Like that, you have to take one word and 7 vibhakti sentences you make in next class. Saptami. Mama, like my, or Lakshmanasya. I can say that I can say that Lakshmanasya, because of Lakshmana. Lakshmanasya Rame, in Rama. Lakshmanasya Rame Shraddha. Now see, Shraddha is how? Shraddha Asti. Like in Rama, Lakshmana has Shraddha in Rama. Lakshmanasya Rame Shraddha Asti. Shraddha is Strilinga. So we have used Shraddha like Rama. If I want to say Vishwas, then I will say Vishwasah, because it is Pullinga. Ramah, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Ramat, Ramasya, Rame. This. We have Dvivachan, Bahuvachan. But once you understand Ekvachan, Dvivachan you will write just like that.
Sir, put that once more, no, sir. That this
You want to have another word or this
no,
only?
No. I just wanted to see it. Yeah, thank you.
Ramah, anything you can add because it is karta. Ramah, Jalam Pibati, anything. Ramah, okay. Then Rama should come in Dvitiya Vibhakti. To Rama, this kind of sentence should form. To Rama. So what? You have to take karta something else. Then only Rama will become karma. This is the problem we all will face. Huh? How to take a sentence, how to make sentence of Ramam, Dvitiya Vibhakti. So you take karta something else. Then that will become karma. Sita Ramam Pashyati. Yes. Lakshmanaha Ramena Saha Vanam Gacchati. Lakshmanaha. You can make any sentence like Bharataha Vasishthena Saha. Bharataha Vasishthena. Bharadwajena. Dasharathena. Any one word you can, if you understand, any sentence. Okay. Lakshmanaha Ramena Saha. After Ramena Saha should come. Lakshmana Ramena Vanam Gacchati, Saha should come. Nishada Rajaha, first tribal person who met Rama, Lord Rama. Nishada Rajaha Ramaya, to Rama, for Rama. Two, for, both are there. In second case also 2 is there. Fourth is also 2 is there. But there should not be confusion. So I took for. निषादराजः रामाय पत्रं पुष्पं फलं च ददाति और यच्छति। सीता रामात् वस्त्रं स्वीकरोति, जलं स्वीकरोति, भोजनं स्वीकरोति, वल्कलं स्वीकरोति, वस्त्र वल्कल, yes, आज्ञां स्वीकरोति, takes आज्ञा, but it is not a tangible thing, but आज्ञां स्वीकरोति। भरतः रामस्य भ्राता अस्ति, दशरथः भरतस्य पिता अस्ति, कौसल्या रामस्य माता अस्ति। एनी सेंटेंस। लक्ष्मणस्य रामे श्रद्धा विश्वासः अस्ति। हाँ, and last one.
Lakshmanasya is in
Sixth case.
Sixth case.
Yes, yes. Lakshman ki.
Lakshman ki Ram mein
The
Shraddha.
sentence will be, the faith of Lakshmana is in Rama.
Okay.
Faith of Lakshmana. So your faith, Shraddha, Vishwasa is subject. Don't forget that, because it is in Prathama Vibhakti. कौन है? श्रद्धा है, विश्वास है, like that. Hey, and last is Sambodhan. You all know what is Sambodhan of Rama. Hey Ram. So that bhajan is very famous. Hey Ram. That is, you are calling Lord Rama. That is Sambodhan only. Hey Ram, tu hi mata. So when you say Hey Ram, then Rama also pays attention to you. Like somebody is calling me. Okay. So Hey Ram, Mam Palayatu. What is happening? Hey Ram, Mam Palayatu. So you take any God's name, like Shankara, any, whatever, whichever you like, Ganesha. So Ganesham, Ganeshena, Ganeshaya. This is next homework, and sentences also. Sentences, you will enjoy this. Hey Rama. So here Ajna will come, or Ajna, that we will see in next class, in next chapter. Hey Rama, atra pashyatu. Look here. Pashyatu. Hey Ram, tatra gacchatu. Tatra ma gacchatu. Hey Ram, shrunotu. Listen to me. Hey Ram, palayatu. Hey Ram, rakshayatu. Like that. Hey Ram, you call him. So Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Rama, Ramasya, Rame. Okay. 4 minutes we can take, 4 more minutes, 3 minutes. Who will make sentence of any? Don't worry, you will get it. Just see here, Rama, Ramaya. All 7 vibhaktis. And Yachati, Swikaroti, you don't have to change. Vishwasa Asti, don't have to change. Come on, this is challenge. Whichever deity you like, that deity will tell you all sentences. Really.
Sir, Radha, Krishnath,
Radha. Ah, chalega. Radha, Krishna. But you go in sequence, like Krishna, Krishnam, Krishnena. So all vibhakti will be clear to you. But you can say that sentence, Radha, Krishnath,
Phalam,
Phalam Svikaroti. Radha, Krishnath, Phalam Svikaroti. Like Navanitam. But it is the other way.
yeah. Yes, sir.
So you can say Radha Krishnaya Navanitam Yachati.
Correct.
Some of you take Krishna Shabda, some of you take Bharat, any Shabda, Lakshmana Shabda, any deity you like, but it should be Akaranta. How to make of Strilinga? We'll see 7 vibhakti of Strilinga in next class. This is really important. You can see now Ramena, Ramat, everywhere. Means like that. Any shloka you can take up. You will see all these vibhakti if Akaranta Shabdas are there. Okay. Anybody want to make? Otherwise I will stop it.
Gopikaha Krishnena Saha Nrityanti.
Perfect. Wow. Gopikaha. Very nice. Gopikaha Go, I will add one shabda. Gopalaha cha कृष्णेन सह नृत्यन्ति. Very nice. गोपिका कृष्ण के साथ नाचती है.
So Gopala becomes with the Gopals also. Achha.
हाँ. This I added.
Gopi and Gopals. Okay.
Gopika and Gopal, they both dance with Krishna. So Krishnena, how na becomes ana, that we'll see day after tomorrow. This is interesting. Don't forget to make sentences. This file I will send you, and that shloka also. Rama shloka. 7 vibhaktis in 1. Okay, chalo. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Now something should have strike you like Om Purnamada Purnaha Purnat Ramat Purnasya Ramasya, like that. Madaya Adaya, but that Adaya is different.